in through the front door, you enter into the kitchen here, and we've got these beautiful countertops, wide open spacing, and perfect island to pull up a chair. And you've got this open floor plan right on into the living room with the wood burning stove. And these nice windows here on both sides. All three sides actually of the living room. So coming on down the hallway, you've got the 3 bedrooms here. And 1 bedroom is here on the right hand side. And then you've got this back bedroom. And the bathroom for these 2 bedrooms is right here. Taking a look at the master bedroom, which is at the end of the hallway on the left, you come on into this shower here, and it's got this giant shower and vanity here. And the entire bathroom can get wet, so they've got this exterior shower door here as well. Got tile plank flooring throughout the house. Here in the back, we've got a driveway, 2-car garage, and then we've got a bonus room up on top of this storage shed. So this portion of the yard here with all these beautiful trees is fully fenced, so it's perfect for your pets. And it's a really large yard here on this side of the house. So here we are taking a look from the front door with that nice covered porch in the front and this huge front area in the yard, right here on the corner in Canyon Lake Forest. And then when you come on up these stairs here in the backyard, you enter into this little bonus quarters, and it's just got this small area here, but it's all extra square footage. That's bonus.